Look, them wheels just touched down in the city where I'm from. I'm a man on a mission and it's time to get it done. Trying to count up all the max and my thumb is going numb.
It's not showing anything.
There we go.
Hey, you're recording.
I know. All right. So, what's good, YouTube, man? So we back with another video, man. Today I got a feature of what I need to say. I don't know. I'm new to this, y'all. Hey, man. But anyway, I got my boy Sean Cone Boy with me.
Gang, bitch. Real bees in this
You know what I'm
bitch.
saying?
Son.
Featuring my boy Sean. But yeah, man. So my boy, we about to go over these. Dang, boy, GU is dropping right now. But anyway, we about to go over these charts real quick, man. Show my boy what he need to be looking for, man. So, you want to share your screen? Or you want me to share mine? I mean,
It don't matter. What do you want to do?
You got all right, I'll show mine so you can see the. All right, boom. All right, so I'm about to clear all this so we can show you what I'm looking for. So you say you had trouble looking for the zones, right? To mark up.
Not sure which candle I need to be putting on.
All right, so let me see. All right, so if I was to, okay, this is a perfect example, right? When they look like this, when your supply look like this, like the previous bullish candle, and then you get a long engulfing candle for a bearish long engulfing candle, pretty much that's probably one of the best looking setup. This right here is a high probability setup right here.
Yeah.
You feel what I'm saying? Far as within that supply zone. And as you can see, you see that how it came and tapped and then it just took off. So that's more of a high probability setup with the gap right here and everything. But it didn't break structure, but they probably considered it a break of structure on like probably like a 1 minute or whatever. But it's still an engulfing candle. So 9 out of 10, you can really still take that trade or whatever because of the engulfing candle. But that's a pretty good zone for you basically to mark up. So when you start getting zones like this though, okay, soon, boom. So that's not a valid one. Let me see if I can find another valid one. Okay, so here go one too. This is probably what you more concerned about. All right. So matter of fact, see, you see how good this one is too? So we have this engulfing candle. We got 3 bearish candles, real strong push down. We got break of structure, and then we got another break of structure, but it didn't come from this category. But the reason this could be a valid zone, which, you know, most of them will say is invalid. Why? Because it broke through the zone. But this is more of a liquidity grab than an actual supply trade. You feel me?
Yeah.
So, but it's still a good zone. It just didn't hold. You know what I'm saying? It just didn't hold. The banks just grab liquidity. And then once they do that, see, most people would not take this trade because it broke through the zone. But it's still, you still consider a liquidity grab. So all you're doing is entering after the breakup candle. So when they start getting like this, let's see what's up. All right, so this can be valid too. And I guarantee you, okay, you see this gap right here, this is a gap. And this is a breakup structure. So basically, this is the start of the supply. This is the start of the breakup structure. So basically, this will be your supply right here. Some people say it's not valid, but you can still use it. And I guarantee you why? Because you still have, look, it's still a gap right there. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
By the fact it's still a gap right here, and then we broke down to the downside and we broke structure. I guarantee if I pull this all the way across, this has been filled. So I'm gonna put a line right here. Right there. And then right there. Boom. So watch. Well, it probably haven't been filled out. What's today's date? The 8th. So it ain't been filled yet. So that's why, shit. All right, so boom. Whoa, who's right here, right? Yep. Was this it?
The very top one.
Yeah, this it right here. So price is going to make its way up here. You feel what I'm saying? Because the banks, because basically there ain't nothing but liquidity right there. But it's not gonna come here no time soon because right now we bearish right now. But we are bullish. I mean, we bearish. The trend is bearish, but right now we're breaking highs right now, as you can see. So if this don't break this zone right here, I'm still gonna look for buys. Why? Because price could easily come back down and grab this and just come to this demand zone right here, which I'm gonna mark up, and we're gonna see how I react. Why? Because as you can see, boom, it's still a gap. You got an engulfing candle, but it's still a gap. A lot of people will say it's not a valid demand, but me, I'm still gonna take it. I'm gonna take it because for one, I like the way the bearish candle, then it gave me an engulfing bullish candle, and then this was the start of the trend. This was the start of the bullish trend, and we broke structure here.
Yeah.
As you can see, we didn't come to nothing. You know what I'm saying? You came to a gap on a higher time frame right here. You see how it came and closed this gap right here?
Yeah.
But still, at the end of the day, we still inside a demand. This is your demand. So, like I was saying, I would consider this a demand right here. Let me make this shorter. So it depends on how this hour candle, see how it's rejecting. Me personally, I would take this trade. It might be invalid, but I would take it because for one, this is my demand right here. This is my demand zone, and we broke structure right here. It's a minor structure, but it's still a break of structure. You see what I'm saying? And then the 4-hour, anytime a candle on the 4-hour look like this, 9 out of 10 is going back up to fill this week. Now it's not going to leave for a 4-hour candle like this. But like I say, you can look for a liquidity grab or whatever, but it already took this candle out, as you can see, and we already took some of this candle out, as you can see. So we took like partial of this candle out. I mean, this wick out. So, but anytime I see something like this, I'm getting back in for a buy because why? We're going to fill this candle. It's going to fill this candle because you got more gaps up here. And then this right here this can be considered a supply, but we didn't have a break of structure. So this wouldn't be too valid. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Basically, to answer your question, what you asked me a while ago, this would be the zone. You see how this one, you could have marked that up. Yeah, you could have marked this up right here. You know what I'm saying? That's another valid supply. But this one is more the one right here because this was the one that actually broke the structure. So you see why it came as soon as this developed, you could have just marked this up. And as soon as this candle closed, after the break of structure, you see how it came back in. Most people would have marked this up and took it. Some people wouldn't because it didn't give me that break of structure first, which it did, but this candle didn't. This candle didn't. This candle right here didn't close below this candle.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of people probably wouldn't took this supply. They probably wouldn't took it because it didn't give me no break of structure. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And here go another one right here. So instead of marking this candle up, this still your supply right here. But I mark, it's always the second candle and the third candle as that you mark up always. I mean, some people use this fourth candle right here, or this first candle, but it's always the second candle and the third candle between an engulfing candle that gives you that supply or that demand gap. So if it was, let's say for instance, if it was Carlos marking this up, he's just marking this up right here. He's not worried about this candle. He's just more worried about this candle. If it was Doyle marking this whole thing up, all the way up to this bearish, this bullish wick. And he just marking this whole zone up. And you see, once he hit the zone, he gonna enter probably right here because this was the breaker candle. And he entering right here and he took the sell. So that's it. It's pretty much how you mark them up. See, I'm a look more for like the candles that, I mean, the ones I really look for is the ones I just showed you. This one, like this one, more like this one. The bearish candle, then it gave me an engulfing candle. Them the ones I look for because them the ones reliable to hold like 100%.
Yeah.
And trading ain't 100%, but they reliable to hold at that position if they more like this. You know what I'm saying? Bearish candle, then bullish candle. Or bullish candle, then bearish candle. They more liable to hold when it's like this. And as you can see, it did. And if you go to another one, I guarantee you another one had held too. Let me go back. You see what I'm saying? Boom. It held.
Yeah.
It just grabbed liquidity. That's all, but it still held. It didn't break through it. You feel what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And what another one that okay. It's this one. Okay, boom. So this is one too. Why? Because boom, bears we broke structure and it gave you it held. You feel what I'm saying? So if I mark this one up, boom, it tapped, broke structure, and gave you probably that's a one, probably like a 1 to 3. No, that's like a 1 to 5, 1 to 4. So it tapped right here within the zone. You would have entered right here on this candle right here, break a structure. And stop loss right there. And you see what it gave you. It gave you a 1, almost a 1 to 2. But it's just that no, well, I would have did like that. Most people would have brought it down here, but I'm always put my stop loss right below the candle that after I entered in, I'm putting it right there. And it gave me a 1 or 2. So, but as you can see, it's still held because you got a bearish candle, then a bullish candle push up, and it gave me a slight break of structure. And well, another one that I bet you it held too. Let's see. All right, another example. No, not this one. All right, here go one right here. What it do? Still grab liquidity, but it still held.
Mm-hmm.
So this is another one too. After it gave you boom here, break structure here, and then break structure here. So it gave you 2 breaking structures, and that's why it held. So pretty much,
That whole peak pretty much did it.
yep. Then it gave you this right here. So boom, then you got another break in there right there. Why? Because that bullish candle then gave me an engulfing bearish candle. Them the ones I'm looking for. Them the main ones. Them the main ones I'm looking for. I don't care if it break through the zone, because if this candle didn't close,
Above it.
yeah, if that candle, the body didn't close above. Sometimes the body can close above on a smaller time frame. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's what mess a lot of people up. A lot of people get confused because if the body closes above here on a smaller time frame, but on a higher time frame, the body didn't close. It just weak within within the zone. At the end of the day, I'm going based off the higher time frame more than I will on a smaller time frame.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it. Because let's say if this one was closed above, right? This is small, this is a 5 minute. And let's say the 15 minute didn't like this, did like this. I'm going based off this higher time frame. So I'm gonna look for a sell before I look for a buy, because the higher time frames did not close above to give me a break of structure. I don't even know what it went to. But anyway, yeah. So I don't know, it went, yeah, right here. So these the ones I'm looking for. So if you want to, like, let me go to another pair I'm about to show you. Name one. What you mostly trade?
Probably AU.
You said AU?
Yeah.
All right. So boom. So all right, New York, New York, New York, New York, New York, wherever you are. All right, so where you at? Give me one. See, something like this. I ought to mark this one up.
It's ginormous candle.
Exactly. So I would have did this one. 9 out of 10. If the only way it didn't hold is because we bearish. We just broke structure. That's the only reason why it didn't hold. Because all they want to do basically just come and fill this whole candle. And that's enormous, bro. That's a big candle, bro. That's money right there.
That's a ginormous one.
So our price deal was just come fill this candle. But I'm telling
That's
you,
the one I almost lost my count on.
this one?
Yeah, because I got that wick right in yeah, that shit.
Oh, you got in right here?
I got in for a buy for it to continue.
Oh, for continue. This was last week, right? No, yeah, this was last week. Dang. So now I'm looking for something smaller down below since we already low.
Something that's not crazy news related.
Yeah. So I'm looking for something below down here. Okay, like let me delete this. Like this one. I'm marking this up and I'm waiting for price to hit it. And I'm just gonna wait for price to hit it. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So where we at? We right here. I'm just gonna leave that right there. I'm just waiting. I'm gonna have an alert because 9 out of 10 is coming back to grab this. I'm not marking this one up. It's not gonna hold right here. Why? Because the banks are looking at this. Some people, they're gonna take this. They're gonna mark this up, they're gonna take it, and they're gonna think this the one. It really didn't give me a break of structure, but this is the start of this whole big ass bullish move. This is the start. This is the main start. So I'm keeping, and I'm gonna set me alert anyway. But I'm holding this right here. I'm looking and I'm waiting for it to hit this right here. I can trade it all the way down to here, but it has to break this low for me to, you know what I'm saying, to continue to look for it to come down through here. If it don't break this low, then, you know what I'm saying? So right now, If it don't break this low, I'm not looking for it. But eventually it's coming. You just don't know when. It might come next month. You know what I'm saying? So, but this, I'm holding this. I'm definitely holding. I'm waiting. And once he hit this, I'm not gonna lie. I might do some stupid shit. But I'm gonna hold this and try to hold it to the top. I'm not looking for no, I'm not looking for no 1-to-1 and 1-to-2, bro. I'm not doing that shit, bro. Because right now we're already bullish. You feel what I'm saying? We bullish as hell. We come back down and this shit don't break the zone. I'm looking to hold this to break. And it's gonna take me forever. Why? Because it's a forest pair. That shit's slow. Just like that GU, just like this GU. I'm looking to ride that GU back up to the top. But it's just gonna take forever, man. It's gonna play around. It's gonna play around and take forever. But this right here, I probably won't even trade. Cause this is another valid one too. This one right here. But you can basically take this trade right here. If it holds, you can take this trade and just basically just ride it up to and basically just take it up to like a gap or another supply area and then look for a continuation down. Because I'm not looking for buys until I break these up here.
Mm-hmm.
You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I'm definitely not looking for buys until I break this high right here, basically. But other than that, if it comes here, let's say if it made a move like that, if it made one of this move, just boom, boom, and just stop right here. But if it breaks that, I can look for a buy. But if it don't, let's say if it gave me this right here, boom, damn, I'm gonna have to do it again because I messed it up. But anyway, and it just gave me that. That's what I'm doing. Stop. Oh, that's what I'm doing. So I'm looking for it. Boom, retrace off this, come back up within the zone, but don't break this high. And then I'm looking for a continuation down to here.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I'm doing. And then once it get here, we up here. We off to the races. I'm taking it up here.
20 contracts.
Huh?
20 contracts. No issue.
You said 20 contracts?
Yeah.
Well, I'm taking this. I'm right here. This gonna be my TP right there. Why? Because this is my swing low. If we don't break this low, I'm not looking for no sales. And I'm holding it to the top. It's gonna take forever, but those will be one of the trades. Let's say if I had like multiple accounts. One of these accounts, I'm holding this mug, but I ain't got multiple accounts, so I can't see and say I'm not gonna hold it on my regular account. I would want to, knowing me, I'd do some dumb shit like that. I would. I get paranoid while I'm doing it, but that's a good little setup because why? This was the start of this bullish move. You know what I'm saying? And vice versa. And vice versa. Let's say if price don't come back, we already broke structure. And let's say if this came back and reacted off this demand right here, because this is a demand as well. Right here. So this is your demand right here. And let's say if prices came right here, boom, reacted off here, where we gonna go? We could easily come back right here and then continue all the way down. Because you have a gap right here. This is a fair value gap. 9 out of 10, it can hit this gap too. You know what I'm saying? So it can come within this gap and then continue down. I'll be taking those too. A lot of people don't take them. But I take them fair value gaps as well. Sometimes I take them. But I don't take them more than I take a supply and demand. But that's about it, man. Those are the main ones, man. You want to look for ones that's like this, bro. Bearish then bullish, or bullish then bearish. Them the main ones like this, a bearish then bullish then push up, or a bullish and bearish push down. You don't want to 9 or 10. Like, it's cool to take the ones that look like this. You got like a bearish candle, a bullish candle, and then you got the gap. But the ones I'm looking for is this right here, a bearish, then a bull, then follow. I mean, a bullish, then follow with a bearish. I'm not looking for a bullish, a bearish, then a bearish. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, but yeah, that's pretty much. I'm
That was
pretty much.
yesterday.
Huh?
That was yesterday.
What was
Just a clean push off that supply zone.
this one? I know, bro.
Super clean.
Super, super duper clean. And that's why I like. That's why I like to go. That's why I like to base my trades off the higher time frame. Because the reason I'm gonna show you why I took that GU yesterday. I took that GU yesterday. Why? Because let me delete these. I really want to take this shit right here and go hold you. I really do. I promise you I want to get back in. But the reason I took this GU yesterday, I'm gonna see if you can point it out. Go share do the little mouse thing. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna see if you can point it out. Why did I take this on a higher time frame?
So here. Um, um, um.
It is, but that's not valid. The supply is not valid. And
Gotcha.
the reason the supply is not valid because the supply already been filled, the gap already been filled. And there's really wasn't no gap after this. But
Yeah. Wasn't a full momentum push there.
huh? Yeah. You see what I'm saying? So it's still a good supply area, still good supply zone. But the reason I took this trade is because this hour candle did not, hold on, I'm about to show you. This hour candle did not close above this high. This body didn't close above that.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
It's still a supply area. But the reason when I seen this, when I seen New York open and that 9 o'clock candle hit, I said, okay, we did not break. Because I normally looking for buys right here. Because I'm like, okay, boom, we pushing, we pushing, we pushing. And it'd be a whole fake out. And that's how I normally be blowing my accounts, man, not being patient. Cause look, this would consider, you see what I'm saying? Now
Yeah.
you would think this is a break of structure. You feel me? Why? Because the candles closed above this high right here. This still considered a swing high. I mean, this is a swing high, but we broke above it. You see, it ain't no supply right here. But the reason I took that is because if you go down, look, this is just a fair value gap. We came into this supply right here. That's still a valid supply right here. But I based mine. See, look, this already this gap been filled. So, but most people look at, okay, now we broke structure. Let's see if I can take it to the high. But once I seen that, and I seen that this candle didn't close above, it was a wrap. I entered right here. I entered on the break of the hour. As soon as it broke that hour, I entered, and I just put my stop loss a little bit above here. I didn't put it all the way up here because it was too big.
Yeah.
But I just put my stop loss a little bit above, and that's what I should have held it.
Yeah.
Because I knew that shit was coming. I knew that shit was coming out here to this demand right here. I knew it. I sat there and said, I said it's gonna come down to that man. I should have held it, but I was like, you know what? I don't want to be greedy on this account. I'm really not trying to blow this account, but I do want to look for another trade to try to get my account back to $50. But I'm cool. I'm cool with the $45 that I got and trade another day.
So
But
yes, more than 100% already.
yeah, you see what I'm saying? So That's why I took this yesterday. If I'd have held it, I would have been good. And I took that other one because that 5 minute demand was down in here, and you see that shit just weak. So now we probably just gonna come and take this on out and look right here. Now I can either mark this up. That's the demand right there. Or I can mark this one up. Tell why? This is the start of that swing. I mean, this is the start of that bullish move.
Yeah.
So definitely once it gets to here, it might be valid for real. Unless we break through it. If not, it might just grab liquidity and just buy. But right now we bullish a little bit. We bullish. Yeah, we bullish right now. We bullish right now because we've been breaking. We broke these highs right here. So that's why I'm looking for a bullish move. Probably come. I want to see it come down here to this support. But this candle, that's why I say this shit gonna buy back up, because this candle right here is not gonna stay like this. This is not gonna stay like this. I can see price coming back up and coming back into this gap right here, or right to fill this gap right here, and then probably push down. But other than that, we good, bro. We good, bro. But those are your, those the supply and demand markup, how I mark my supply and demands up. And basically
Yeah.
what I learned from, I just have to execute a little bit more. And I have to actually just go by my trading plan and stop trying to hold this shit.
I think my biggest issue is I'm just trading outside of my time frame. I
Yeah,
showed you yesterday. Like literally all the trades I take, I'm floating because there's no momentum coming. Even though it is in balance, supply and demands, there's just no momentum at the times that I'm trading.
why you be doing it? You
Just
just,
when I'm up.
oh, I'm saying you be eager to trade.
No, it's just I'm up. I'm up literally just right up until before London session starts, so it's slow.
That's what I'm saying. So you take a trade, right?
Yeah.
You eager to trade. You be eager to trade.
I see the setups. It's just there's no freaking momentum behind them.
Bro, it be slow, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. London normally kicks off around, I say London normally move around like 4:30, bro.
Yeah.
4:35. You might catch a momentum here and there between 3, like as soon as it open, between 3 and 4, but bro, by about 4:30, 5 o'clock, that's when it normally, what you marked up last night? Show me what you marked up last night. You can erase the screen.
Mm, oh yeah, that's what I had. I'm trying to find it on mine.
Just mark it up on the screen.
It wasn't GBP, it was AU.
Go ahead and do it. Just
I had
change
to, I had to look at it. I'm not on Zoom right now.
it. Nah, bro. Don't look at it. Just look at it right here. You want me to delete this?
No, that's good.
Don't go cheat.
I was looking to see where I traded.
Oh shit. All right. Damn, I want to take this trade, bro. And I broke that candle. Fuck that. I'm about to take this bitch. I am. I'm telling you right now, I am. Shorty rock to the beat for your boy. Shorty. Hey. My mouse said.
My bad.
Oh. Hold on, you can have it back in a minute. Hold on. Set my stop loss. That'd be $3 loss. All right, my bad.
Oh, I forgot that. That makes sense.
All right, go ahead. What?
That you're doing it from your laptop.
Oh, you thought I was right here?
Yeah, I was like, I thought there was just, Zoom is only showing this screen, but you also got the others on top of it.
Oh, my bad.
Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
If I can get a break, this EMA and close the board this EMA, I'm good. I only did one position though. That way I just don't lose my $40, $3 is cool to lose. I'll take that little $3 loss. $3 to make $10.
3 to make 10.
Yeah. And then we ain't got no news, so
None. Not really any major. All the others are starting at like 10 o'clock.
all right. What you mark up? I mean, what made you take? Did you take the trade or you just had it marked up?
No, I took it.
You took it?
It was based off something over here. But I'm trying to figure out what time frame it was on. It reversed, and I was literally just in it from like right over here. Once this candle broke above these couple of bodies, I got in, but I got out. Where was it? I'm trying to see the screenshot I sent you.
Nah, you don't supposed to see no screenshot. You supposed to know what you marked up.
It looks different because this is the AUD. This is just a regular Forex one. That's why I was looking on the futures.
Oh. Oh, so you traded on your account.
Yeah.
You profit?
Nah, I lost 8 cents. I broke even, which is
Oh,
good because it went the whole wrong direction. I'd rather lose
oh,
8
for real?
cents than 400.
All right, so what you was looking at? You say, oh, you looking at it. The man
That's
right
the
now
man's zone, but it didn't keep pushing.
is invalid though. The reason why it's invalid, one, oh my bad, hold on. One, you see, there's no gaps. Two, it didn't get no break instruction.
Mm-hmm.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I would have marked this one up before I marked this one up, but it didn't hold.
Yeah.
But this one did hold. It was just, it probably, was it a 30-minute? It probably just held on a smaller time frame or a higher time frame. But this was more of a good markup than this one. So you see it held right here, and you probably could have got like a one. You probably could have got like a 1 to 3 or like a 1 to 3 or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
or 1 to 2. But if you go down, let's see. Boom. So yeah, there you go. So basically, hold on. Let me see something. What we had? This it right here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so really neither one. It really was just a good push, baby. It really was just yeah, like it didn't tap. So I mean, you could have took it. I mean, you could have took it and got in early, but you see, it did not. It didn't tap the zone. Cause me, I would have marked it down. I would have had mine just marked all the way down here, actually at the demand, and it came close, but it didn't tap. You see what I'm saying? But that right there, this wasn't. Where you say yours is at? Down here? I forgot. You on a 30-minute?
I don't want to say so. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this ain't clean. It's invalid. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's invalid because for one, ain't no gap. And for two, it's no breaking structure. This is not a breaking structure. That's why. That's why I broke through that shit. Now this one on the other hand is one. You feel what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
This is one. If price break through it, it's coming to it. Now I have this one up and wait on this one. You see what I'm saying? So,
Mm-hmm.
but that right there is invalid. That's why you lost on it. I mean, you could have easily, what was that? You could have got a, you would enter right here. So right there, and you could have went for a 1-to-1. That's a 1-to-1, easy 1-to-1. But
Yeah.
I probably been do some stupid shit and wait for a 1-to-2, and it never came up here because I tried to go for 1-to-2s, but I wouldn't have marked this up anyway. This one was more of a 1-to-2 than anything. This one right here, that was a 1-to-3.
Yeah.
Let's see where we at. Okay, right here. Yeah. So one. You tried to unmute.
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, little Grayson? Little Grease.
I can't hear you.
Oh, but yeah. So that was more invalid. So tonight, whenever you back test again,
Yeah.
start looking for, okay, boom, here go one right here.
The ones that break structure instead.
Yeah, so this is more one right here. That's more of a one. Why? Because it broke this structure. It broke this low right here. And you also broke your lower New York session. The lower New York session. Remember what I showed you? Remember what we went over last time?
Mm-hmm.
Mark your high and low of the session. So this is your low, this is your high of the session. So now I'm
Yeah.
looking for sales after it broke that low.
Makes sense.
You see what I'm saying? So you just want to look for gaps, bro. Look for gaps, bro. Look for gaps. That's it. So you can mark this one up. You can
Mm-hmm.
mark that one up on your account, on your trading account. Wait till it touch right there. See how it react. But you gotta be careful because we do have this right here. So this more than likely I have marked up.
That's the true start of it.
Yeah. So I had that one marked up. You can have that one marked up, but I'm mainly looking for this one. If it don't come, it's just a no trade. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And this is
It's gonna be some time before it gets down there.
this rejecting off the EMA too. I needed to close the borders EMA. There we go. Good push, Grayson. But what was the other trade you lost?
That was it. I only took that one.
All right, so what the one that you said you like, darn man, I missed it. It wouldn't let you log. It wouldn't let you go in.
Oh, that was that push down, bro.
Which one?
Let me see if I can find the exact spot. I'm gonna go to see the exact spot, bro. I was so aggravated.
You say you was aggravated?
Yeah, it didn't let me freaking take the trade. Cancel, failed, rejected. This was at 61. Was AU at 66 130 on the 7th. AU 66 130.
I get back close. We about to push up. Give me that push up, baby. Push up, baby. Uh-oh. Grace said that.
I'm gonna share my screen.
You want me to stop sharing? I bet. Go ahead.
Sharing. Can you see it? Sweet.
Yeah.
So basically, this friggin' structure pushing down. This is that one that I had marked up already. So either way, going zone to zone, I figured it was going to push down. And this is where I was trying to get in.
You should at least just did one. You should did one contract, bro. You try to go for the gusto.
But you see why. Yeah,
I
shit would have
know.
worked.
That was clear. That was a clear one. Like that was a good setup.
It rejected nice. I don't think I was trying to get it up there. I think I was trying to get it down here. Either way.
That was a good set. That was the out. That was a 30-minute.
That was the hourly.
Oh yeah. That was clean. That was clean right there. What time is it? At 9 o'clock.
8:57.
It's pushing down. It's giving me a strong push down. This trade might not win. It's cool. But yeah, that was clean. I stopped trading AU too.
I feel like I definitely like the hourly zones a lot more.
You want to mark from the top of that other week.
This one?
No. The white one. That one. Go over. That one. Go over.
I'm so confused.
Oh, to the right. Right there. That week, yeah.
It's a big zone.
It is. That's why you want to get in on a break. But not really, because it's a forex pair. So by it being a forex pair, that probably ain't nothing like a 3-pip stop loss. Mark it up. That's probably like a 3-4 pip stop loss. Yeah, 3 pips.
47 and 25.
Bro, I don't know what that mean, bro. So
I used to until I swapped over to futures, and then I just know this is 44 ticks.
Oh, I see it now. Okay. Because it's on the hour, so it makes sense.
That was right here. I like the forex one so much better, bro. That right there. From there, it's 20 pips.
That shit crazy, ain't it? That's weird, ain't it?
This means you'll make more off the freaking futures ones. Or you might lose more depending on how it goes.
Yeah, you just gonna make more off future. You're gonna make a little bit more off future quicker than you would forex.
Yeah, that's what makes I really didn't like trading AU when it came to freaking forex pairs because it moves so slow, but with the futures, it's literally 4 times the speed.
So that makes sense. But yeah, that's a valid one too. That's a clean one too. But you do have to pay attention to that lower one down at the bottom too,
Yeah.
because it could break through that zone. And if it do break through that zone, then you know that's where it's liable to go to. It's that one down there at the bottom, below it a little bit. But that one could hold them.
Don't worry again.
Huh? Yep, no. So that one could hold. I wonder if this shit's still recording.
There's a little thingy. It says
Yeah,
recording on my computer.
okay, bet. But yeah, that's liable to hold too.
It's crazy how I used to do only the Forex pairs, and now if you look at my watch list, bro, it's only those except for these, just because I haven't traded these yet.
Mm.
This was a setup that I was looking for, but you see
Bro,
what
what you was
happened.
looking for buys for, bro? Please tell me.
Because,
That shit is way too high. Bro, look how high that shit is. And you looking for buys?
hell yeah.
Bro, that shit is high, bro.
I didn't take that.
Price is high. This just happened?
Um, that's 750. So yeah,
Damn. Now I look for buy. I look for a buy down at the bottom. I look for a demand somewhere down here on a higher time frame though. I'm not looking for no smaller time frame yet. So I'm looking for a gap somewhere. 9, 10.
my bad. I know your eyes are a little older.
Yeah, they are. I'm a little old. They got one right there. I mean, it could be valid, but go down. You see it? Yep. That's one. I'll mark that up, see what price do when it get there. So I had that mark. I keep that marked up. No, bro. Well, that I wasn't talking about that one, but you can keep it though. I was
Yeah,
talking about
this
that.
little piece.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Hmm.
So them people, it made you really starting to piss me off
Why?
because she's trying.
Hold on, y'all. We'll be back. I just need this counter to break above. I just need this counter to break up. If this hour counter break above, I'm good with my little trade I'm in right now. If I can get a break above, baby. Get a break above, baby. Oh. Oh. Jeez, that felt good. You muted, bro. Good push, guys. We pushing up, baby. We pushing up, baby.
Look, them wheels just touched down in the city where I'm from. I'm a man on a mission and it's time to get it done. Trying to count up all the racks and my thumb is going up.